2 weeks ago, I started creating a channel with the topic of supernatural queens Indonesian mythology. My first 2 videos were successful. Within 2 days, I had around 300 hours of views. The next 9 videos with the same team have no impressions. After 2 weeks, only hovering around 20 views. My question is there something wrong with what I did? What can I do so that my channel can get more impressions? We need to continue by uploading another similar video. So while there can be different like things that happened here. YouTube often pushes new channels into the algorithm and gives you a lot of views. Maybe the video quality was very bad, so YouTube doesn't push you anymore. So maybe I don't know how the CTR and AVD are looking. But yeah, if your first 2 videos do really well and then it doesn't do well again, I wouldn't get too demotivated because 9 videos isn't that much yet. And maybe you got lucky with the 2 first ones, right? So yeah, I would definitely go for like maybe 15 videos if the first 2 got a good traction, and see how it performs, and just try to stick to the same style that you did with those first 2 that seemed to work out.